Um, so you're 5 stone, 5 pounds lighter than what you were. That has an obvious impact in terms of your physicality. I think you're walking further and faster with the dogs now, or with your dog.
Dog's happy.
Yeah, he's getting a better workout. But how has it impacted you on a personal level in terms of your own personal self-confidence, self-esteem? You know, what's going on there now?
Well, it's just complete turnaround, really, I guess. I mean, I was always very confident on the outside. I was always the person that could put on the front and turn up and deliver and whatever I needed to do. But behind the scenes, I did lack confidence. I lacked self-belief. And I think that this is, I'm unrecognisable. You know, it's down to, I go shopping, I go into a changing room, try on clothes. I enjoy trying on clothes. There's a social event, I'm now thinking, oh, what shall I wear? Whereas in the past, I'd be like, oh, how can I get out of that? What? Oh gosh, you know. I mean, my wardrobe is I've so much gone to charity shops, but just that mismatch of what I was in there. I was really aware when I sorted out my clothes, how many things I sort of clung on. That'll make me look better. That will, oh, I don't know, and just sort of really feeling inadequate, I guess, socially. And now I don't know that, Gaenor. You know, that's how I am. I'm just like this. This is who I am. I wear my children's clothes now. I wear jeans. You know, I enjoy wearing jeans. I've got variety of what I wear, clothes, and worrying about how I feel about myself isn't really there. Whereas in the past, I'd be like, you know, really needing to psych myself up for confidence. Whereas now it's just natural, really, I suppose. Yeah.
Fantastic. That's good. And final couple of questions then. Just how convenient have you found the training you've done so far?
I love the online. Absolutely love it. I'm on time every time. It fits in really well. Yeah, the program's been really, really good. Highly motivational. And I think the thing is now that I know I'm staying at that weight, because I didn't really believe that originally.
Sure.
And I think the fact that I'm in control, I understand now that I control what I'm eating, what I'm doing.
Yeah.
So the combination of the coaching and the exercise, it's just been brilliant.
Fantastic. And I guess just sort of drawing this to a close now, if you can be really specific on, so somebody sat there listening to this now thinking, okay, it's all fantastic, it's all wonderful. I hear what Gaenor's saying, she's had a wonderful journey, she's done really incredibly well, but I should be able to do this myself. You know, I am, you know, I know I should be eating better. I know I should be exercising. Do I really want to pick up the phone and speak to this guy that I don't know from Adam? Because as adults, we like to feel as though there's certain things we can do. We shouldn't have to seek help for certain things. What, if you could just really be specific on one piece of advice or a tip relating to somebody who's thinking about picking up the phone, what might you say to that person who's in that situation now as a tip or a piece of advice?
Pick up the phone. Simple as that. I think it's about, ask yourself, why aren't you prioritizing yourself?
Yeah.
You know, and you don't we whether we can't fit it in, we can't do it. You know, don't be surprised. It's a big thing. I mean, you do the job that you professionally do, and you do what you're good at. You get the dentist to help you with what you need, you know, and you seek out another professional for other services.
Yeah.
And just put yourself first, because I think that's, and by putting yourself first, that just means just pick up the phone, have the conversation, and give it a go. You know, I mean, God, it took me 30 years of yo-yo dieting, and then it's like now I'm here. It's like, whoa, wish I'd done it sooner. Yeah.
Gaenor, look, it's been an absolute pleasure speaking to you today. We're going to make a date in the diary. So in 12 months' time, we're going to come back. We're going to revisit to see exactly where you are. But look, thank you for taking the time. I just hope today has provided maybe some insights, a bit of knowledge, and hopefully a bit of inspiration to people, whether they ring me or not. Hopefully listening to you and what you've done will just inspire them to maybe take that first step on their journey. But really thank you for the time today, and we'll catch up again soon. But thank you again.
Lovely. Thank you. No worries. Thanks. Good luck, everyone.